Everything is in our perception. If we see this lockdown as a time or set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something, we are surely thinking it the right way. I am Nivedita Sen, a mental health activist. I run an Instagram page called Cafe Akla, where we share our access with others. Being a journalist, I'm accountable to my readers. I visit restricted areas, meet celebrities, and also been awarded for my stories on health, rural reporting, and Army, Navy, Air Force. As you can understand, it's quite a tough job to stay at home and get information. But still, I'm working from home, unless it is very, very important to go out. Are you thinking about what all can we do during this lockdown? Be creative, pen down your thoughts and send me via TechVin Global. You can also reach out to me in Twitter at the rate Nivedita Speaks or check me my creative spending lockdown through my Instagram page at the rate A Brave Fool. You can also send me yours where I will be publishing on Cafe Akla. How are you spending your quarantine? Do you see this as an opportunity or as a liability? I don't see it as half glass empty, but half glass full. I am making use of the full quarantine period to decorate my house. Here is one such example. The plant, these small pebbles, water, and the bottle. Everything was there in the dump shed, which I have picked up and made it a creative point. I'll show you something more and how to create it. The next thing that I'm doing is watching really good movies. I will show you what kind of movies I'm watching. So this is the Dracula. The whole series of Dracula is there. Another is The Basic Instinct. This is one of the classic movies you must watch. Mr. Bean's Holiday for kids. Tenida, it's a very beautiful Bengali classic which obviously brings a lot of fun. Nostradamus, Sherlock Holmes, the full movie is there. Then I have Jomaloy Jibonto Manush, the whole series of Tagore. Again, a small Lion King, the kids can watch it. Then Charlie Chaplin movies, which we know, but most of us we haven't seen. So I think you should use this quarantine period and go through this. Airport. This is one of my favorite, and you must watch. Other than that, there are Robin Hood series, Bhuter Bhovishad, which I think many of us have already. Then Baksho Bodol, and the last piece goes here, which is a crime movie. So that's what I have for the store. Again, this is another way. This is the book I have got for myself to learn about how to talk to them, what to teach them, what not, and how they will listen to me and respond in that way. So I think these are the small things which will help us read and teach how to read. This is one such joyous moment we can never forget. Storytelling, as we always know, our grandmothers used to do. It not only helps you to revive, recoup, and heal, but also helps you to get hold of some memories. So make memories.